children, let us know about some facts. Facts means how anything can be. So let us see, how do we know what weather will be? Because weather scientists have special equipment that can measure all sorts of things we can't see. Scientists can measure how much moisture there is in the air to find out if rain is coming. They have thermometers to tell how hot or cold it is. Even with all their equipment, sometimes scientists still get it wrong. So they use all these type of equipments and they forecast and they tell us how can be the weather, whether it rains or whether it is hot, whether we get rain or cloudy. So using those equipments we can know. So the modern way scientists also find out about clouds. So nowadays due to modern technology they are also finding about the clouds, storms, and cyclones and wind speed also. How fast the wind is coming, what is the speed of the wind from the satellites, weather satellites we will be having. So from that weather satellites they can find out about the clouds, storms and winds, etc. There are special spacecraft which float around the earth. So there is a special satellite or spacecraft which will float around the earth and it takes some photographs and collecting information about the weather. So that spacecraft rotates around the earth and it takes some photographs, and with that photographs the scientists will tell about how can be the weather. So in previous days when there is no equipment, by seeing the nature the olden people used to tell about the weather. Long ago people learned that nature gives a lot of clues about the weather. Take your umbrella, if you see that pine cones are all closed, or if the cows are lying down in the fields. So if the cows are lying down in the fields, it says that it may rain, because the animals firstly recognize that it was about to rain. And if the sky is red in the evening, and if cricket means it is some sort of insect, and in the evening if the sky is red and cricket means dragonflies, crickets are chirping loudly. So if they chirp loudly, then don't forget your sunglasses.